Hi, welcome to .NET X Become a C Sharp Developer Learning Path. My name is Shailen Chauhan. I'm Microsoft MVP, Technical Consultant and Corporate Trainer. In this learning path, you will learn about all the necessary skill set to become a C Sharp developer. So now here first understand what is C Sharp. C Sharp is an object-oriented programming language developed by Microsoft which runs under the .NET platform. C Sharp syntax are similar to the C++ or Java language. So if you are already know the C language and the C++ language, so we'll find out the C Sharp similar to the C++ syntaxes. Even the C Sharp nowadays you can run on Mac, Linux, Unix and Windows operating system using the .NET Core. So initially when the C Sharp came, that time it was run only with the Windows operating system, but now the C Sharp can run on Mac and the Linux as well using the .NET Core, because .NET Core is a cross-platform version of the .NET which can run on the Windows, Mac and the Linux also. Now the next question is here, why to learn C Sharp? So you should learn the C Sharp because it is easy to learn and adopt. So if you already know the C++ language, so you can easily learn the C Sharp, because when we learn in the college, when we learn in the student, so there we teach one of the language. Let's say usually we learn the C language, or like usually we learn the C++. So you can easily learn it. It is cross-platform and open source. So now starting from C Sharp 7.x release, C Sharp is open source. So before the C Sharp 7.x, it was not open source. Now the source code of C Sharp is available on the GitHub, which you can look at. So the developer across the world now working on the C Sharp for adding the new set of features. Now the C Sharp you can run in browser as well using the Blazor. So Blazor is a new framework from the Microsoft which can help us to run the C Sharp in browser. Even the C Sharp can be used to develop any kind of applications. So various types of application you can build using the C Sharp. So you can build console application, web application, desktop application, mobile application, machine learning and AI based application, games. So all the types of application you can build using the C Sharp. Even IoT based application also can build using the C Sharp. So C Sharp is a language which can be used to build the various types of application. So the prerequisite to learn this training program is absolutely there is no prerequisite, because here we are covering the things from scratch. So how to write the program in the C Sharp, what is loops, what is the data type, how to write the conditional statement, how to the exception handling, how to the object-oriented programming, all the things we will teach you from the scratch. So there is no prerequisite. As an IDE, we will use Visual Studio. So make sure you are having Visual Studio 2015 or higher version. If you're willing to experience the C Sharp advanced features, so you must have Visual Studio 2019. But if you are fine with the C Sharp older version, then it's fine. You can have Visual Studio 2015. So Visual Studio can be downloaded from the Visual Studio official website. This is a link I mentioned in the PPT over there. Now let's see what you will learn in this learning path. So in this learning path, you will learn the .NET basics, because these are very important to understand how the C Sharp code is going to be run under the .NET platform. You will learn the C Sharp basics like data type, we having the loops, we having the conditional statements, we having the operators. So these are the basics of any programming language. Then you will learn about here how to do the object-oriented programming, how to create the classes, how to the inheritance, polymorphisms. So various other things like methods you will learn in the object-oriented programming section. Then you will learn here abstract classes, interfaces, partial classes. Then we will discuss about here the anonymous types, delegates, events and lambda expression. And you will learn about a collection and generics and asynchronous programming. So these are the various things you will learn in the C Sharp learning path. I hope you will join us to become a C Sharp developer. So let's get started.